Well, hey everybody, it's Paul in the old truck, and just wanted to show you, this is a 2005 2500 Dodge Ram, and the air is not strong. By that I mean the fan is not strong. Let me show you.
I don't even need the AC.
Now that should be blowing like crazy. That's on one. You can hear it's really trying, but it isn't really doing too much. Okay, so I think there's a couple 5/16s. Okay. There's number one. Now this is the one that's way in the back. That's number two out. 3 bolts apparently so far. We're on number 3.
Here, give me the camera. Right there. That one.
Can they see it with the low light?
Yeah. I got a flashlight. There's this one. There's that one. And there's this one right here. Did you give me the wrong driver, dude?
No.
This thing ain't going on.
You ain't got the bit in it.
Oh, it fell out. It's really fighting me. You sure I ain't messing the threads up or nothing?
Oh, you got it on reverse?
Yeah.
Is it getting looser?
Uh-huh.
Then that's the right way.
I think, is it ready to come out?
There's the broken piece. I thought that was our socket laying in there. But no, that's the broken piece.
So that's the little flapper thing?
That's the little thing that holds the flapper still up in there. See that whitish looking colored thing? That is the flapper that falls down, and see it about covers the hole. So we are going to try to get that out of there. Alright.
So is that piece rises then? And
see this here? That's where the piece went. You can see it snapped.
Okay.
Just from like the bumpy roads and such. That's where they always break. And sure enough, the guy probably could glue that one, but let's try without it. Let's put the motor in.
Sure about it's out? You don't want to just order another one?
No.
Okay.
It's a major thing.
Okay.
Here, I'll put this to tight. Your thing's in there.
Got the motor back up in there. That's sweet.
Get it seated. I'll get you a bolt.
I'm trying to see a way I can film it. I'm gonna get this one first. It wants to stay in quite well. I think that's in. I don't over tighten that one yet.
You got her, eh?
I think I got
Number
it.
2.
You're feeling a little tough. You don't think I cross?
No.
It's starting to
Go
cross.
hold it.
You're sure?
Yep.
Because I don't want to cross thread it. Alright.
One more.
I'm just tightening
Here's
the
a
first one. Oh boy, this one's gonna be really fun. Maybe I can show them. Sort of. I can't let go of the screwdriver.
No, don't let go.
But
I'll take the camera.
right up there.
Alright, good job. So, the best part is being the foreman. While the guy's working, you can come out and catch Some beautiful red leaves in golden hour sunlight. Isn't that nice? Pretty. You got that done yet? We never unplugged it, so that should be good. There you go.
Just retightened. That bolt retightened. That one up there. And behind the cord, that one right there.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's throwing out a bunch of junk.
It's right there.
It's blowing out so much junk.
It's like Superman's cape right there. Blows good just on low.
Oh yeah.
That's how it always was.
A lot stronger.
I guess that is for your recirculator. See, now I just put it to the floor. It's coming out the floor, isn't it?
Yep, real
So
strong.
that still works. I think that's just so it does recirculation. So, you know, I can live with that. I had my ear on right away. No fuss, no muss.
So this isn't even, okay, it's just a solid piece of plastic to block it.
Yeah. 2005 Dodge Ram 2500 back in action with air. All right, good job. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.